force. Can we say that? Centripetal force. What centripetal force is, or what it tells us, is that things, when they spin, they move faster and faster and faster as they spin. And we're going to see that. So when I take this, very good. Can I have you guys sitting on the grass, please? Thank you. Let's see. If I can pull this all the way back, we'll see. And it's using... Oh, very good. Thank you, thank you. It is using centripetal force to go up in the air. The faster it went, the higher up in the air it went. So who can tell me what centripetal force means? What is centripetal force? What is it? Let me see. Right there. Yeah, so the faster it spins, the faster it goes. Come on up. Very good. Ready? Point it that way. There you go. Good job. Thank you, thank you.